Welcome back to the Skid Factory. This is our mate Dave's 1984 VK Calais drag car. You may have seen it in a few recent episodes of the Skid Factory. It is here getting some upgrades done, but our story doesn't begin here. A little while ago we went to Willowbank Raceway to an 8th mile drag racing event, so let's go down there to see how the car performs in its current form and also check out some of the fastest cars in the country.
Hey David.
Hey, how you going?
Good mate.
What's news?
The news is I've got a camera and I'm here to film you, hopefully not break stuff.
No breaking stuff.
No.
No breaking stuff.
No. Morning Az.
Morning mate.
How are ya?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good, good.
Where's Alan?
Alan is at he made the finals for the Watch It Hopey line dancing competition, so
Watch It Hopey.
he's got to attend that today, so he can't make it. But I'm stoked that I'm here. We've got a one working VK, one motivated David. In for a good day, I think.
Time to do some paperwork. Time to go racing.
Wicked.
Drove back to the pits under its own steam.
How'd you go, David? How's the pass?
Yeah, good. It was a good first pass.
Yeah.
Ran a 1.460 foot, 1.499.
Sweet.
And 6.34, so not real quick, but good first pass.
Awesome, man.
And nothing exploded, so...
There's a few quick cars out today, eh?
Yeah, there's even the class, it's a 235 class with a pretty small rear tyre. And the fastest guys are going there, well into the fives. So, awesome.
What's the story, Az?
The story is, someone that has no idea what they're doing has been mucking around with this map. I'll tell you what. So, just having a look at it now, the boost control's all over the shop, so we'll just tame down the closed loop boost control corrections a little bit and just turn the boost up, so we'll see what happens.
What are you eating? Can I have some?
Just finished off a can of Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop.
Thanks, man. Oh, all over the laptop. Give us an update, mate.
Yeah, so it looks like we may have had not quite enough timing in it. So we've just checked one of the plugs. The plugs look good. Been through all the logs, so the traces all look pretty good. So put some more timing in it and see if that helps with the problem. And if it does, we'll put in even more timing and we'll see where we go from there.
Bit of teamwork. Dunning-Kruger versus the Hopf.
Yeah, we turn everything up.
Page up.
All of it, all the things are just turned up. So we'll send it and see what happens.
Get that 5.
What are you aiming for?
I'd love a 599, but
$5.99 on the 8.
if it drives on the trailer, I'm happy.
Sweet. You've had a bit of bad luck with this thing, haven't you?
A lot, man. I've been to Kenda twice, never made a pass. I put a tail shaft through the brand new gearbox. Next time out, in the burnout box, I had a pinion fall out of a diff. So we've now spent $1 million on the driveline, and it should be unbreakable. So it's got to take my $400 turbo and try and run a 599.
Good on ya. David.
Hello, sir.
How'd you go, mate, last run?
Oh, good. It missed again, but got a 660, so not the end of the world. But you know what? I'm going to drive back on the trailer, and that was all I really wanted out of the day.
That's a plus. Good on you, dude. Epic day.
Nothing sharp or metallic comes shooting out the car, so it's pretty rare.
That's
pretty rare for the
that's
VK.
a first, isn't it?
It's a first. We're venturing into new territory, so it's mint.
Good stuff, mate. Glad you got a big smile on your face.
Yeah,
That's all
yeah.
that matters.
It's been a great day. Like even though the car hasn't run right, it's been a good day.
Yeah, epic, dude.
.634 at 109. It's fast-ish, but that's not really living up to the potential of this engine package. It's had a lot of money spent on it, including the driveline and diff and that sort of thing. So I think it's probably time for us to have a little bit of a look over it, do away with that dirty old Borg Warner, and maybe throw some technology onto it, replace a couple of the cooling parts with some better gear, and see how much better we can make this thing. That will be starting next week, so we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.